Hi, class. Welcome to week 6 of BUAD 301. It was nice meeting everybody this past week on Friday at our first live class meeting. So, thank you everybody for coming. I really appreciate it. And I'm looking forward to our next class meeting. So, this week we're going to be discussing Chapter 7 in a discussion form, and we're going to be talking a little bit about technology and the factor it plays in the workplace. What you're going to do is you're going to complete a class form this week, and you're going to have to post a total of 3 times, which includes 1 main post and 2 responses to your classmates. So what I decided to do was this week I decided to go a little bit light on the content of what you have due, because the class form that you're going to have to complete this week is going to require you to log in multiple times to respond to your classmates. So since you're going to be actually taking quite a bit of time this week participating in the forum, responding to students, and reading other posts, I've decided to go a little bit light on the content this week for you just to kind of help balance out, because I would like to see some quality class forum discussion posts. So your tasks for this week, you are to complete the watch the weekly class video lecture. Please make sure to read Chapter 7 in your textbook. It discusses technology and business communication. This is very important because with the emergence of technology in society, businesses are using technology quite a bit for so many different aspects. So we're going to talk a little bit about technology in the class discussion form. You're also going to need to complete your 3 posts in the class form number 1 under the file attachments for this week below, which is right here. Keep in mind your main post is due on Friday and your 2 response posts are due by Sunday the latest. So you need to have your main post due by Friday, so please make sure to go in there and respond by Friday for your main post, and I'm going to walk you through everything. In addition, you're also going to need to register for a Zoom video conferencing account, which is free, and familiarize yourself with their website and technology. And then after I give you directions on the discussion forum, we'll go ahead and click here and I'll walk you through that as well too. So let's go ahead and take a look at the class form, which is due this week. Please keep in mind this is due by Sunday night, October 1st, 11:55 p.m. for your 2 responses, but your main response post is due by Friday. Right out on October 1st at 11:55 p.m. I will be locking out the discussion forum, so it is important that you do respond to your classmates during this time. So once you click on it and you come into the form, you're going to see this setup right here. It gives you an explanation of what you need to do. So the class form is going to be worth 10 points total, this class form number 1. You're going to post a total of 3 times for this week's discussion. Please keep in mind, I want you to consider the feelings of others. Be respectful when posting. If there's something you disagree with, please do so in a respectful manner and provide reasoning. There's a zero tolerance for foul language, flaming, or putting others down in a negative way. If you disagree with someone, please be respectful. Put yourself in their shoes. How would you feel if if someone was talking to you the way that you were posting about? So always keep that in mind. Any sign of flaming or foul language will result in an automatic 0 for the assignment, and the post will be removed and reported. So you need to complete the following. You have 1 main post that you have to complete and 2 responses. So your main post is due Friday, September 29th by 11:55 p.m. and this is worth 4 points. What you're going to do is you're going to click on this link down here, Technology in the Workplace, respond for main post, and answer the discussion question. What you're going to do is you're going to click on reply. This is your 1 main post you must complete. Your answer should be substantive in length, meaning you should provide details and reasoning in your answer. Keep in mind a minimum of 100 words is required. You can also use reasoning, examples, or anything else. In addition, you'll need to have 2 responses to your classmates. These are going to be due by Sunday, October 1st at 11:55 p.m. Each response you post will be worth a total of 3 points, and only your 2 best responses will be graded. Feel free to put in more responses if you'd like, but a minimum of 2 responses is going to be required. Keep in mind you need to make sure that these are substantive in length as well. What you can do is, if you want, you can discuss several different options in your reply. You can discuss whether you agree or disagree with their post and why. And remember, be respectful. You could ask for further questions to expand on the conversation. Maybe you want to ask the class a question or someone else to participate in something that this may entice you to ask a question about. Or you can even provide personal experiences, outside sources to the conversation. That way you can add on to it as well. Each one of your 2 responses should be at least 75 words. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and click on this technology in the workplace. And once this opens, you're going to see your discussion prompt. And in order to reply for your main post, you're going to click the reply button right here. So please respond to the following prompt. Technology in the workplace has evolved and is considered an important part in any business organization. Business organizations are doing a lot with technology nowadays. They do everything from communication, from advertising, from business decisions, so many different things that they do in a business organization where technology is involved. However, with this emergency in technology, workers are able to connect to technology much more easily, especially in the workplace. And there's been an ongoing discussion debating on whether or not personal technology should be allowed to be used in a business organization, and if so, what privacy matters should be applied. So in Chapter 7 of your textbook, there's a section on whether or not an employee has a right to privacy, which are pages 189 to 193 of your textbook. Please be sure to read this section in more detail. That way, this will help you write your response. You definitely should read all of Chapter 7, but in this case, we're going to focus on this part of your book. So this subject has been debated by employees and employers for quite some time now. After reading this section, do you think an employee has a right to privacy? Remember, try not to be biased. Make sure to look at the issue from both sides of the argument, the employer's side and, of course, the employee's side. What are the benefits of having privacy for an employee or monitoring for an employer? What is a possible negative or positive effect it can have, if any? Do you think it will change over time? Please be sure to explain and provide reasoning in your answer. So this response, when you click reply here, should be at least 100 words. So you're going to click reply here. You're going to write your main post here, and then you're going to click. You can go ahead and unclick this discussion subscription because I don't want to receive emails when people reply to this, because I'm going to go ahead and delete it after. You could click post to form, and now you will see here there is a response. So let's say another student comes in and they want to write their main response post, and they click post to form. You're going to now see two responses right here, and you're going to see who it's by. So if you want to respond to, let's say, this main response for one of your responses, you're going to click on it. You're going to see their main response right here, and then you're going to click on reply, and this will be your one of two responses to your classmates. Then you're going to click post to form, and you're going to see your response right here. So you're going to see a tree formation kind of forming. So all the main posts should line up here, and you can respond to any of these main posts. Make sure you submit your main post by clicking here on the reply button, and then when you're ready to respond, you can go ahead and respond to main posts here as well too. So please keep that in mind. I'm going to go ahead and delete these so that way you won't actually see them in there. So again, please make sure to complete your main post by clicking the reply button here and then responding to other students' main posts as well. So let's go ahead and go back to our course. So the final thing you need to complete is register for a Zoom video conferencing account. You're just going to click here. You know what, let's go ahead and open it in a new window. And you're just going to click right up here, sign up, it's free. And Zoom is video technology where you can participate with conversation with other people, such as your group members. So this is going to be a great tool to use when you are communicating with your group. If you can't meet on campus, you can always meet online. So all you do is just click here, sign up, it's free. You would just put your email address here, and then you would click sign up. You would go through the terms of services, and then once you're logged in, just go ahead and take a look at the different opportunities that they have on this website. Read about what you can do with meetings, with a video webinar, with Zoom rooms. That way you have a good idea of what it consists of and how you can use it in your class. So please make sure to do this week, because next week we're going to go ahead and go over it into a little bit more detail. So again, good luck to everyone this week. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I'm going to be in a discussion board as well and responding to students as well. So please keep that in mind. And if you want to respond to my posts as well, by all means, feel free to. But this is going to be a week-long ongoing discussion. So good luck to everyone this week. And again, please let me know if you have any other questions. And I hate to be repetitive, but if you do have any questions and you need to contact me for an emergency, please remember my mobile phone number is up here. Feel free to text or even call me if you feel an email may take too long. So again, good luck to everyone this week.